Hey there, friends. Today I've been thinking about weather. That cozy feeling you get when the world outside is softened by rain and all the sounds just blur together under the gentle drumming of the clouds. That's what we're all about here at the Deep Focus channel. But you know, sometimes you can get lost in that kind of mood. Stay inside and hide from the gray skies. To all of you out there caught in the rain, remember you'll have fresh growth before too long. We're all here working to build ourselves a future, and I know it can be easy to lose sight of your goal. It's hard to imagine, but one day you'll be looking back at these times fondly, secure in the fruits of each long hour you spent studying. Here's a little something to set the scene. Let's all share a moment of nostalgia for a past that's yet to come.
Say cheese, it's Cheese Week at Big Bite Burgers and Fries. All this week, in addition to our regular menu, try our all-you-can-eat signature sides like our famous bowl full of melted cheese, served steamy and bubbling. It's the Bottomless Chubbler. Or our New Orleans-inspired pork sandwich, the Pig Cheesy. And our signature flagship, the spicy blue cheese topped jalapeno cheese blucher. So hurry in and get them while they last. After all, why take a little bite when you can take a big bite?
Carb up with yakisoba, the noodle masters. No matter what stage of life you're in, we have the perfect noodles for you. From birthday noodles to wedding noodles, all the way to those most final of noodles. Every occasion has a noodle at Yakisoba, so experience something different. Yakisoba. It literally means fried noodles.
What's up, y'all? It's your host, Deep Thought, coming back at you with the thought of the day. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, pause for a second and take in your surroundings. You can't stop to savor every moment, but if you're not careful, the days will slip past before you even realize. Gather yourself in this moment and let the feeling be sweeter still, along with the sounds of the Deep Focus channel.